Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play that famous Christmas carol, Hark the Herald, Angels Sing, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Now, we say it has 20 holes, even though when you look at it, it obviously has 40 holes. But we treat the holes that are on top of and below each other as if they were one hole. This harmonica is in the key of C. Now don't worry if your harmonica is not in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. And if your harmonica is in a different key and you're finding it difficult to follow this tutorial, just turn the volume down and follow the arrows. Now when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Got it? Good. Here's what Hark the Herald, Angels Sing looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. G, C, C, B, C, E, E, D, G, 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 F, E, D, E, G, C, C, B, C, E, E, D, G, D, D, C, B, A, G, 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 C, F, E, E, D, G, 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 C, F, E, E, D, A, G, F, E, F, D, E, F, G, C, C, D, E, A, G, F, E, F, D, E, F, G, C, C, D, C. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 11. Blow into 13 twice. Breathe in through 14. Blow into 13. Blow into 15 twice. And breathe in through 16. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 17 3 times. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 15. Breathe into 16. And blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 17. Breathe in through 16 twice. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 14. Breathe in through 12. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 17 3 times. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 15 twice. And breathe in through 16. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 5. So let's move on to phrase 7. Breathe in through 20 3 times. Blow into 17. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 15. And breathe in through 18. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, breathe in through 16. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 17. Blow into 13 twice. Breathe in through 16. And blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 9 is exactly the same as phrase 7. So let's move on to phrase 10. Breathe in through 16. Blow into 15. Breathe in through 18. Blow into 17. Blow into 13 twice. Breathe in through 16. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget, I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.